Sige. Let's now call in entry number 6.
Sir, makaka-relate ito.
Bakit?
Ito.
Avatar.
Nakapanood ka
Oo,
na.
nakita ko yan. Pero nakatulog ako sa movie house. Sorry. So, parang, sige na lang, relate na lang, Avatar.
Relate
I
talaga.
know.
Okay, so guys, give it up for entry number 6, Team Dire Husi.
Let's give them a big, big round of applause. I don't have a night. Brother, come down. I don't have a brother! We're not supposed to fight. We're brothers. Okay, thank you very much. Dito tayo. Tingnan nyo, nagka-paint.
Ang blue.
Kilala ko na to sila. Dire Jose. Dire Jose. Ano ba to? Another racket? Joke. Okay, Dire Jose, what's your concept ba sa what's within Avatar? Bakit Avatar yung concept or ginawa niyong cosplay for this afternoon?
We make this kind of things kasi we know this is unique from the others. Then we know we have the strength to do this kind of daring things as what you can see right now.
Oo nga.
Daring na daring, di ba?
Oo.
Wow.
Tapos, if meron tayong live stream, meron din tayong live musical,
So hindi yun pre-recorded kanina, it was live, made from,
All.
anong klaseng instruments yun?
Tambol. Flute.
tamboli. Tamboli.
Bird flute. Bird flute.
Bird flute.
Oh, yun na yun.
Tapos tambuli. Wow.
Yun na yun. Okay, so thank you very much for joining entry number 6. Okay. So there you have it all. Our 6 entries for this cosplay tournament of champions.